Hi, my name is Maren and welcome back to my channel, Maren Makes It. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your own DIY eyelash extensions at home. So usually these last me about 7 days. I would say the shortest that they've ever lasted me is 4 to 5 days, and that's going to be if I'm exercising a lot or if it's been really hot out and you just get more sweaty and then you're showering more regularly. And you have to wash your face more, a lot more water that ends up breaking down the glue earlier. The longest they've ever lasted me, I would say, is about 11 days, and that's being pretty careful with them. I tend to just replace them every 7 days because it gives me kind of a good routine. I know I can do it every Sunday night, and then I know I'm pretty much set for the week to come, and I don't have to risk, with 10 days where they would be then falling off midway during a week. So it's very important that you do take them off correctly though, because you don't want to be pulling out your own eyelashes in the process. And I am saying this from experience because I like to pick at things, whether that is my nail polish as it's coming off or my eyelashes as they're coming off. And one time I ended up pulling out about a whole section of eyelashes, like maybe a quarter of my total eyelashes. And it takes about 8 to 10 weeks for them to come back fully. In the process of them regrowing, the hairs that are there are really, really fragile, and so you can't even glue like new eyelash extensions on there, so you just end up with a really awkward period. I don't want this to happen to you, so I'm going to show you the correct way to remove them and what I do now. The product I use to remove my DIY at-home eyelashes is this. It's called Kiss Falscara Remover. So it's actually the remover to a different system of eyelash extensions at home, and that is the Kiss system. I really like this remover though. I find it works better than a regular dual phase eye makeup remover. And the nice thing about it is you can find it in stores really easy. So a lot of drugstores will have this, Walgreens, CVS, Target, which is great because with a lot of these eyelash extension systems, you do have to order everything online because you won't be able to find it in store. So the way I use this is I shake it up really good because you want to get it blended because it does kind of separate out the two parts. And then I will apply this onto a clean cotton swab. Once I've done that, I will go over my lashes kind of from the top and as well as from the bottom. And I'm doing that just to really get the glue to dissolve there. And you can start to see, there you go. That's what it looks like when a piece or a chunk of eyelashes comes off. That's even actually two that are still glued together here. So I'm just going to keep doing that. Sometimes you need a little help and you can use a little spoolie here to help you. I can apply the remover directly to the spoolie as well if I find that a piece is particularly stubborn or not coming off, but see, like that one, it just helped get it right off really easily. So as you can see now, I have one eye completely off. Sometimes you do end up with little pieces of glue still stuck in your natural lashes even after you've removed them. So for that, I would suggest you can use either a little spoolie or you could use like even a comb or an eyelash brush or an eyebrow brush, and you can comb out those pieces. So if you look really close, I don't know if you can see this, but there are some little chunks. It almost looks like mascara, like leftover mascara, and you can totally get those out. I recommend applying the remover just directly to the brush as well, or to the spoolie, and that can help just get any remainder of that back out. You do want to start with clean lashes in order to reapply them. So this remover does have oil in it, so before you reapply them, I do recommend washing your face and or using like a micellar water just to wipe away any of those oils, because those can interfere with the bond of your new lashes. So with that being said, I think that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.